Hello everyone, this is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Today I'm unboxing the EvaChill from Evapolar. It runs on 7.5 watts of power, so that's less than an LED light bulb. We'll show you some details on the side, and you can pause the video and take a look at all the details at your leisure. So basically cools the air, it's eco-friendly, it purifies the air, and we'll get to what's inside. So they give you a USB Type-C cable. There's the USB-C part and USB-A. So you need to bring your own wall adapter, but everybody pretty much has a wall adapter nowadays. And here is the actual device itself. And we'll show you what's going on inside in just a moment. So this is the back. And there is the USB Type-C port for power right there. And get to the front here. And this part pops up. And this is where you would change out the filter if you need to. And it's pretty well attached in here. There we go. This comes right off the top. But the filter is going to last a long time, but just to see what it looks like, there's the filter. Has a computer type fan right there. And it basically cleans out the air that you use at your table, and it's for yourself personally at a desk. It's obviously not big enough to work for the whole office or the whole house. Slides together like that, and you have different levers on the front that go up and down like that. And it's as simple as that. You plug it in and it goes. It has one speed, and it's made for personal chilling and air cleaning. This is the Evapolar EvaChill. Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram.